cultural icon. The Samba bus has become more than just a vehicle, it is a cultural icon. Its association with the 1960s counterculture and the hippie movement has solidified its place in popular culture. With its vibrant paint jobs, peace signs, and flower decals, the Samba embodies the spirit of freedom, adventure, and self-expression. What the heck is a semaphore? One distinctive feature that sets the Samba Microbus apart is its equipped semaphore turn indicators. These unique indicators, often seen in vintage European vehicles, are mechanical devices that use two pivoting arms to communicate the driver's intention to turn or change lanes. When activated, the semaphore arms extend outward from the sides of the vehicle, providing a visual signal to other drivers on the road. Turn signals. Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses. History. The Samba bus has a rich history that dates back to its production in the mid-1950s. Originally introduced in 1951 as a variant of the iconic Volkswagen Type 2, the Samba bus quickly gained popularity for its distinctive design and versatile nature. The Deluxe Samba bus we are featuring has a fascinating history. It was originally delivered new in Hamburg, Germany, adding to its authentic European lineage. As early as the mid-1960s, this particular Samba made its way to the United States, where it found a new home. This transcontinental journey showcases the global appeal and enduring popularity of the Samba bus, transcending borders and becoming a cherished vehicle in different parts of the world. With its roots in Germany and its presence in the United States, this Deluxe Samba embodies the international legacy and widespread admiration for this iconic Volkswagen model.